What's up, fish tank people? Dustin's Fish Tanks bringing it to you on a Sunday, baby. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to make a beach, but first I got about a 2-minute intro for all my Browns fans. You're gonna skip ahead 2 minutes, you'll miss a little fun football action for your boy Dusty. Let's go.
It's so hard to be a Browns fan. It's so hard to be a fan of the Cleveland Browns.
The man himself, baby.
Browns is the Browns.
The Cleveland Browns play the Pittsburgh Steelers today. The NFL commissioner seems to always think it's great for the Browns to play the Steelers. It's like it's some sort of rivalry. It hasn't been a rivalry for many years. The Browns beat the Steelers once last year or a couple years ago with Josh Hoyer, but haven't really done anything yet. The Steelers are going to come to the Browns Stadium and they're going to destroy the Cleveland Browns. Then what's going to happen? Like the Browns do every year, they're going to get thumped at home and embarrass themselves and basically shit all over themselves. The Browns are going to lose. Then the owner of the Browns is going to fire the entire coaching staff. This happens every year. It's what the Browns do. They simply have a bad season, they fire the coach, they start a whole new regime. We've been perennially bad for about 16 years. I'm not going to watch an entire play of the game today, but I just want to let you guys know that if you are a Browns fan, you are watching this in the small YouTube universe, I feel for you. And you can click the link here and see a video I did of this exact same topic 2 freaking years ago when they fired the coach at the end of the season when they played the Steelers. Go figure. Can you tell I'm fired up?
Hunt in the backfield. Peoples-Jones motions off the wide left to go to the right. Mayfield under center. On first down and 10. Takes the ball. Gives it. Hunt runs. He's to the 10. He's to the 5. He buries that shoulder and drives in for a touchdown. Kareem Hunt. And the Browns lead 20-0.
Let's go! Let's go! I told you! We're gonna take this over too far! We're gonna take this over!
I'm thinking to myself, all right, I want this beach. How am I going to create this beach? For me, I'm going to take this like this, and I'm going to set it in the aquarium like so. And this is how I'm going to do it. Is you set it in here like so, but then you tape it to where you want it to be. You just want to make sure it doesn't shift on you. So I'm going to tape this in here. And now I'm imagining, okay, I've got my white sandy beach there and then my dark spot there. And I like that. I think that's going to work. I've got my good arch. I also don't like to take this straight back. I like to have like the eye kind of say, all right, where's that run off to or whatever. So kind of leaves it a little curve behind. So like your eye doesn't just end at the back of the tank. It kind of takes you back. And you'll see that in a lot of the sweet aquascapes. They have it so like your eye just like kind of keeps going and just like fades back. So our goal is to fill it with equal sides, and then what we need to do is we need to have rocks selected to soften that, because you can't just have like black gravel and then just white sand, like boom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all of these rocks, and you got to have enough rocks to do it, and I'm going to set these around now. And then we really want to pad this side in here, so we really want to just place it in there. So I'm just going to take this, set it up on top of here, and really just set it along the cardboard and really get a nice little wall, little barrier, little level. I'm going about an inch here with this. Rolling with the black essence right here. So got this going. You can see I've got about an inch here. I want to make sure if I'm using the dirt, I've got it pushed down here. I've got a high level here. Then I want to grab my pool filter sand. You want to make sure your gravels are at about the same height, because you don't want the one to just like fall in over the other one. I've got this, so I'm gonna just pat this in. You can see the levels here. So here's where we are. So we've got this right here, and we've got it, okay, and then we like it, we look down, and we've got this, and that's how we're rolling. I've got these, and you wanna make sure you have enough of these. Now what you could do is, like I said, you could tie the bulbitis to it to kind of soften that. You could tie the Anubias nana petite to it. Stargani ribbons you put in between, because that's a heavy root feeder. And I'm going to pull this piece of cardboard up and out of here. I'm going to take the tape off. Throw the tape aside. Pull that off. Alright, so now we've got that. And then what I'm going to do to soften the edge, I'm just going to take these rocks and I'm going to set them along the edge here. Now you can get crazy with the rocks. I like these big round ones. I think attaching Java fern to them would be nice. Make sure this isn't falling in on it. Too much pool filter sand on the one side. just kind of set these around on here like this and kind of just create a little barrier there. But I'm liking where this is going. I've got my rocks in here. I don't have all of my gravel in because I want to be able to easier plant the plants in there. I mean, without even tying it to it, you can go, and I put the Oasis in the front. I'll actually move that so you guys can see. Like there along the edges, you can tie these. Anubias, this is a nice spot for Anubias because you can put Anubias on the rock. It will affix to the rock, and then you can shove the roots, not the rhizome, but the roots down into the substrate here. So this is actually how I've been really successful growing Anubias in my 125 for a long time. Just kind of get the mind going of, all right, how can I make this transition here? So I might do the baby tears, I might do the narrow Java fern. So you can really get like a cool, and this actually looks real sick when you have the Java fern kind of come off there. So that's what I'm doing. Everyone make it an awesome week and an awesome day. Love ya. Tank on, fish tank people. Late.